Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to count crimp stops. So I'm going to go to my list here. I'm at the crimp stops and I'm going to look for crimp stops. What I do is I go to tell me what you want to do, and I'm going to find, and I'm going to put in crimp and enter, and it'll take me straight to the crimp stops. Then I'm going to hit cancel. So with crimp stops, again, you go to your unit of measures. Basically this tells me I want per crimp stop. Here's my full quantity and my partial quantity. I personally do not have partial quantities. We usually just use the full quantity. So I'm going to go in here and we're going to count. So each of these packs, there are 100. It's really weird because they don't look like 100, but there are. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bags of crimp stops. So that's 700 crimp stops. And then I have my backup. That means it's time to order. 8, 9, 10. So that's 1,000 crimp stops. So when I go to my full bag of crimp stops here, full quantity, I'm gonna put in 100. That's, I'm sorry, 1,000. That's 1,000 crimp stops. Partial quantity, I don't have partial quantity. Now, we have partial in our chairs, but we do not count our chairs. Carrie will count our chairs. She basically goes and puts, like, say there's 50 in a chair and there's 5 chairs. She's gonna do 50 times 5. She'll count them for us. We only count what we have in our stock up here in our cabinets. Okay? And that's basically how you count inventory crimp stops.